Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's Monday morning. Uh, it's a couple of hours before the market opens up, and I'm at work. So I thought I'd throw in some advice about what I think is going to happen today in the market. Well, there's a big sell-off going on right now in the crypto market. A lot of things are being sold off. DOGE is dropping. DOGE is dropping as I expected. I actually sold on my DOGE 2 weeks ago because what I've seen in the past, and I've seen a pattern that excuse me, the DOGE is going to probably drop down, and I'm expecting 15, but I can easily see it going down to 18 before the week is out. That's just my opinion, okay? So don't do what I do. Make sure you do your research and figure out what you want to do.
Well, let's get some front page.
And so I'm watching DOGE. I'm watching ADA, Cardano, which there's a big sell-off going on right now, okay? So that y'all know. And a lot of it is more of there's a sell-off, and there's going to be a lot of correction going on. And it's a lot of the stuff is going to test some of the lower lows. And I'm really expecting Dogecoin to at least test 18 within this week or maybe next week. And it'll probably come sooner, because when people start waking up this morning and see that the price of Doge, some people are probably going to sell because they don't want to go back down again. But there's going to be people buying also. So next, I'm watching AMC. I'm not expecting much out of AMC. It may go up just a little bit, but I'm not expecting much. I'm really waiting until Wednesday, and that's when I think things is going to take off. Starting Tuesday and Wednesday, I think it's going to try to head back up to the $60 mark. But that's pretty much it. So you guys just pay attention to the stocks. Look at the news. Make sure you're looking at some reliable news, and make sure you do your research and invest wisely. Okay. So, and for me, when stocks are down like this, and you feel that panic inside of you, most likely that's a reverse signal. It's a reverse signal for you to buy. And I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just giving you some of my experience that I've learned over the years. Now, I'm not a chart person. I'm not really into charts like that. I do follow some charts, and I listen to a lot of people. And when a lot of people information lines up, then that's kind of how I base my judgment on what to buy and when to buy, and some of the things I've learned over the years. So when you have that fear of like, oh, I'm losing, no, you're not losing. That should be a signal to buy, okay? And when you hear all this hype going on, like if it's a really strong hype, people are going to be selling, okay? So especially when it's building up to a certain day. Like, for example, when people were waiting on Elon to go on SNL, and they were hyping Dogecoin up all up until that day. And then right when the day of the show, it jumped all the way up to, what was it, 60 or 70 cent. During